Welcome to Englishify.
Hi, Leo. Good morning.
Good morning, Clara. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good too. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. And you?
Not very well. I dreamt I was a superhero.
Oh, really? That is funny.
Yes, flying in my pajamas is hard.
So, who did you meet in your dream?
I met a friend. I said, hello.
Great. Hello is a simple greeting.
Yes, I say hello to everyone.
You can also say hi to friends.
Hi. I like hi because it is short.
And if you meet someone for the first time,
I say, nice to meet you.
very good. That is polite and friendly.
And I ask, what is your name?
Perfect. People like it when you ask.
Then I tell my name. I say, I am Leo.
And I say, I am Clara.
Sometimes I ask, where are you from?
And people answer. It is a good question.
I also ask, how are you today?
That is a very nice question. People like it.
And if they answer, I say, I am happy to hear that.
Very polite. And friendly, too.
Sometimes I ask, do you like coffee?
You love coffee more than people.
Maybe. Coffee is my best friend.
After greeting, we can start talking.
Yes, I can ask, what do you like to do?
And people tell you their hobbies.
Then I say, I like music and movies.
Good. You also ask about work.
Right. I ask, where do you work?
People answer, and you can say, that is interesting.
And if someone feels tired, I ask, are you okay?
Very kind. You care about people.
And I say goodbye with, nice to meet you.
Or, see you later if you meet again.
Sometimes I add, have a good day.
Very polite and friendly. People like it.
And if someone is happy, I say, that is great.
Or, if they are sad, I am sorry to hear that.
And we can also say, take care.
Very good. Simple and nice.
So, greetings, questions, and goodbyes are easy.
Yes, Leo, we can practice every day.
I am ready. Hello, Clara.
This was our lesson on greetings and introductions. We hope you learned some useful words today.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please follow and subscribe to the Englishify channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.